Namaskar. Let me ask you something. You see, a woman's body is not just multitasking outside. Inside, it's doing far more regulating hormones, protecting your bones, supporting your mind, preparing you for motherhood, or guiding you gently through menopause. Yet, so many women feel tired, bloated, imbalanced, or emotionally drained, not because they are weak, because they are undernourished at the root level. In this situation, Ayurveda can really help you regain your strength and vitality. In Ayurveda, a woman's body is seen as sacred. It meant to be nourished, supported, and honored daily. So today, let's explore 7 Ayurvedic superfood that every woman should include in her diet, like food that works with your hormones, your emotions, and your energy. Because Ayurveda doesn't just treat symptoms, it brings you back to your natural rhythm. Let's begin with Shatavari. Shatavari supports reproductive health, emotional well being, and hormonal balance. It's cooling in nature, making it ideal for women who experience heat in the body, like hot flashes, heavy periods, or irritability. Taken regularly, Shatavari can calm nerves, strengthen the womb, and even improve fertility. You can take Shatavari powder with warm milk at night. The next Ayurvedic superfood is black sesame seed, kala til. They are rich in calcium, iron, and healthy fat. Sesame seed deeply nourishes the bones and help regulate the hormones. They are especially beneficial for women post childbirth or around menopause. When vata increases and dryness in the body can cause joint pain, anxiety, or insomnia. Even research has found that sesame seed improve the antioxidant level, blood lipid, and hormones in women. So, consciously increase the use of black til in your diet. To do this, you can try this black sesame vegetable spice mix. This works because it stimulates Agni, add depth to simple meals. What do you have to do is dry roast 2 tablespoons full of black sesame seed, 1 tablespoon urad dal, half teaspoon cumin, 1 red chili, blend with salt and pinch of jaggery. Sprinkle over steamed vegetables, khichdi or plain rice with ghee. Third superfood is Amla, one of the most revered rasayan in Ayurveda. It's excellent for hair, skin, immunity, and digestion. Amla is a rich source of vitamin C. Studies show that while 100 grams of lemon and oranges gives you roughly 53 milligrams of vitamin C, but 100 grams of amla gives 300 milligrams of vitamin C, twice the recommended amount for adults. But for women, it plays another key role. Amla cools down excess pitta, especially during heavy bleeding or acne-prone faces. You can eat fresh amla, have it as murabba. If you want to use the goodness of amla to improve your skin and hair, then do this. Every morning, dissolve a little rock sugar or mishri in 2 tablespoons of amla juice. Have this on an empty stomach and wait for 30 minutes before you have anything else. This will really reduce your hair fall problem and skin pigmentation. Then another superfood is Vidari Kanda, one of Ayurveda's effective solution for infertility problem for both genders. In today's world, more and more couples are facing challenges due to infertility. Stress, late nights, erratic food habits, and hormonal imbalance becoming increasingly common. But fertility is not just about reproductive organs. It is about the health of all your tissues, especially the reproductive tissues, known in Ayurveda as Shukra Dhatu. Vidari Kanda nourishes this deepest tissue. For women, it supports ovulating balance, estrogens and progesterone naturally, and help the uterus regain its tone and vitality. It is cooling in nature, so it also calms down excess heat and stress in the body, both of which are often behind irregular cycle or poor egg quality. You can take it in powder form, usually mixed with warm milk and little ghee, preferably at night. Vidari works gently, rebuilding your tissues over time. That is the Ayurvedic way, to nourish from the root and restore balance naturally. The fifth Ayurvedic superfood is Ragi or Nachni. It is one of the most under-celebrated superfood in modern nutrition. Ragi is high in natural calcium, iron and tryptophan, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and better sleep. Calcium is essential for growth and maintenance of bone. It helps in muscle movement and transporting the message between the brain and rest of the body. Ragi can give you 3 times more calcium than milk. 100 grams of ragi can give you 300 milligrams of calcium, whereas 100 ml of milk can only give you 100 ml of calcium. After menopause, women suffer from loss of bone density and elements like osteoporosis. Having ragi can really help them in such a problem. Then we have the herb Ashoka. Ashoka helps in the treatment of varieties of menstrual issues in women, including painful, heavy and irregular periods. To relieve cramps and soreness of the abdomen, consume it as a powder or churna after eating, because Ashoka bark has blood purifying properties. So consuming its juice or kwath can also support healthy skin. Let's see how you can make Ashoka kwath or decoction. Take 2 spoons of Ashoka tree bark, add it to 4 cups of water and bring to boil with water until the volume of water reduces 1/4 of its earlier quantity. Strain the liquid and cool it and store it in a bottle. Dilute it with an equal quantity of water and drink the decoction after lunch and dinner to alleviate menstrual pain. And finally, we come to a most powerful superfood, and that is ghee. Ghee is a nourisher of all 7 dhatus, from skin to the bones, the mind to reproductive system. In women, ghee soothes anxiety, supports fertility, improves digestion, balances vata, and even helps with dry skin and constipation. Add a spoon of ghee to warm rice or roti or to your bedtime milk with a pinch of nutmeg for restful sleep. Overall benefits for your body and mind. Now at the end, let me give you a special tip which you can use if you don't have enough time during day. Try this simple ritual every day morning. Boil 1 teaspoon jeera, 5 tulsi leaves, 1 crushed amla in a glass of water. Sip it warm. It balances all 3 doshas, reduces inflammation, improves digestion, and gently supports hormonal harmony. So to every woman listening, be a little gentler on yourself. Your body is not a machine. It has carried you through the years of pains, strength and challenges. It has been patient with you even when you were not patient with body. Ayurveda reminds you that true health begins when we stop punishing the body and start listening to it. So stop chasing perfection and start honoring your natural body with these 7 Ayurvedic superfood. Namaskar.